Your selfish ways are my bad habit. My sleeve has your name tatted, and if we fall, I'm at it. Your eyes make me ecstatic. Without you, I'm stranded. All your dudes kinda make me panic, even though I still can't stand it. I guess I'm still addicted. Your legs get to shaking. Take a shot to change my thinking, even though I should've been drinking. I wanna feel up, make it. Your clothes get to change, and then we hit the stage and put on a show. We all have addictions, I guess mine is you. They all want attention, but I want love that's true. Attracted to ambition, it keeps us around. My number one mission is to hear your love sounds. And baby, from the look in your eyes, and from your sexy tone, I can see what's on your mind, And lately, I've been looking for the time that everyone else wasted when they tried to kill your vibe. We all have addictions, I guess mine is you. They all want attention, but I want love that's true. Yeah. Ambition, it keeps us around. My number one mission is to hear your love sounds. All the stars are blazing, your sexy eyes are gazing. Can't help but feel amazing, cause your voice just keeps on changing. Thoughts are rearranging. Tell your guard I fight it. My aggression isn't passive, but I always try to hide it. And I feel like I've been fighting with myself, who's changing sides. You swear that I don't need it, but you can't tell me what's right and can't keep you out of sight, because if I did, I wouldn't grow.